Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let us quickly start with a small topic of just 2 minutes. Indian Contract Act, Contract of Guarantee. Taking up an example, let us go back to the episode of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Right? There was an episode where Gokuldham Society wanted to get a renovation. And for that renovation, they hired Sundarlal. Right? Sundarlal को हायर किया गया. They hired Sundarlal for the renovation. Now, if Sundarlal do not complete the contract, or if Sundarlal is making any mistake in the renovation, Jethalal took a guarantee. Jethalal said to Gokuldham Society people that if Sundarlal is doing any mistake, I am taking the guarantee. I'll make it up for it. I will do the corrections. I will make the compensation. Jethalal promised. Done? Okay. So now there are 3 people in our scenario. First is Gokuldham Society who wanted to get a renovation. Second, Sundarlal who will do the renovation. And third is Jethalal who took the guarantee of Sundarlal that if Sundarlal do any mistake, Jethalal is there to correct it. Right? So there are 3 people. First of all, those who take guarantee, that is known as guarantor. The person who is taking guarantee, that is called guarantor or surety. That means Jethalal is the guarantor or surety. Right? Now, to whom the guarantee is given? Jethalal gave guarantee to whom? Jethalal gave guarantee to Gokuldham Society, right? So now Gokuldham Society becomes the principal creditor. To whom the guarantee is given, that is principal creditor. And for whom the Jethalal took guarantee? Jethalal ने किसके लिए guarantee ली? Jethalal took guarantee for Sundarlal, right? So now Sundarlal is the principal debtor. I hope this is very clear. 3 parties are there. Jethalal, Sundarlal and Gokuldham Society. Gokuldham Society to whom the guarantee is given, that is called principal creditor. For whom the guarantee is given, that is Sundarlal, that is called principal debtor. And though who is giving a guarantee, that is called guarantor or surety. Done? This is the contract of guarantee, that Jethalal is making a contract with Sundarlal, that he is taking guarantee. Jethalal is also making a contract with Gokuldham, that he is taking guarantee for Sundarlal. Sundarlal and Gokuldham Society are also making a contract for that renovation, right? So there are 3 contracts in contract of guarantee. Contract between principal debtor and principal creditor, contract between guarantor and principal creditor, contract between guarantor and principal debtor also, right? So everybody is making contracts with each other. Everyone is making contract with each other. Remember, in contract of guarantee, there are always 3 parties: principal debtor, principal creditor and guarantor. There are always 3 contracts. Contract between principal debtor and principal creditor, contract between principal debtor and guarantor, contract between principal creditor and guarantor also. Everyone is making contract with each other. Now Jethalal took guarantee. Very true. But renovation project, will Jethalal complete or Sundarlal complete primarily? First, who is going to complete? Answer is Sundarlal. That means the liability to complete the contract is of Sundarlal only. The first liability, primary liability, is of Sundarlal. But if Sundarlal breaches the contract or Sundarlal do not fulfill the contract properly, and if he do not make corrections, in that case the liability will shift to Jethalal. That means Jethalal's liability is secondary. First liability is of Sundarlal only. That first liability arises of Sundarlal. Now, but if Sundarlal do not fulfill that, then Gokuldham people will go to Jethalal. That Jethalal now you have to complete it because Sundarlal is ran away. Sundarlal is not completing the contract. In that case, then Jethalal will complete the contract, or Jethalal will pay the compensation or anything whatever according to the contract. That means, remember, the primary liability is of principal debtor only. Secondary liability is of guarantor. Secondary liability is of Jethalal. It is not primary. Then this is contract of guarantee. Very simple. There are three contracts. There are contract between each other, but guarantor's liability, surety's liability is secondary. First liability is of principal debtor only. Then I hope you understood this very well with the exam. Also, if you want to watch, you can watch the episode of Tarak Mehta, episode 828, and you'll understand that very nicely. Okay. In our next lecture, what we'll see is the difference between contract of guarantee and contract of indemnity. Also, those who have missed the contract of indemnity, in the description box, I have given the link of contract of indemnity. You can go and watch out that. Okay. Thank you everyone. Subscribe the channel and keep learning.